I am Shubhada Rao. Uh, I have taken Bioinformatics Internship from Biotecnika. The course is very interesting, informative. I learned about so many new tools, formats, and many more databases which I never knew before. I also learned so many new things about how to use them, why they are required, and so much relevant information that uh, this could be very useful with whatever I will be doing in the future. The lecturers who taught us were very helpful, were very cooperative. I was able to get answers to my questions, which I was confused and all about it. So I am very thankful for this course and all the lectures that were there. That's it. Thank you.